The semi-aquatic plants, I found them to be very attractive and interesting for growing. And rice also is one of them. And this group of plants, it's ideal for people who have terrace garden or who have small spaces, but with some sunlight. And I'll show the simple way how I do it. Basically, you take one pot like this. This one is about some 5 inches deep, and then you fill up some mud underneath. Mud means you try to get this paddy field mud or some lake bed mud, little sticky and all, ideally. And then you can add little sand and garden mud also. And then you can start in this. For example, there is about 1 centimeter of water is there. And then you wait for about 15 days or 20 days. You can add little cow dung and all to encourage that water body to get active. That is, it needs to have those microorganisms and all to produce healthy plants. So you can add one spoon of cow dung or some little chicken shit or something, some small amount. And then after 1 week or 10 days, you can start planting. And this kind of arrangement is permanent. You can grow for years together if you manage it well. And I planted some rice, some seeds I had put, that paddy, and then it has come out quite nicely. And I'm getting my first harvest also. So now this rice has flowered, and you can see the flowers also there. It's very easy, and then also it's easy to maintain because you can just top up the water once in a while, and periodically, if you want, you can allow it to dry a little bit also. Like, it shouldn't get completely dry, but allow that this water level to reduce. If I don't water this for about 4 or 5 days, this water will evaporate and these plants also will drink it up. Then water will reduce. You can wait 1 more day and then you can add little water. All those experiments you can do. And since I'm interested in paddy field weeds and all, and native plants, so I've gone and hunted for them. And some of the plants, they do well in this along with the rice. For example, this one is called Hangone soppu. It's Alternanthera sessile. It's a very nutritious, nice culinary herb and also medicinal also, but it's a cooking item. If you maintain one pot like this, periodically you can trim off these stems and you can make some chutney or add it to a dal or something. This Alternanthera sessile. Then 1 or 2 other things also I've grown. The botanical names and all I forgot. This also is a paddy field weed. Then one more water body is there. This one. This is an old one. This is about 5-6 years old. I used to grow this water lily, and I got tired of it and I started experimenting with our native plants. And then one grass is there on the side. This one is there completely in the water only, but it's looking healthy and nice. New leaves are coming. So this kind of water tolerant grasses you can plant. Then rice, here also I planted rice. And this one, first yield also is ready. That's my first rice crop. In about 15-20 days, I can take out that rice. 1 spoon of rice will be there. And then also I'm having guppies here, so that it's healthy. nice clear water. Then couple of other native aquatic plants also growing. I tried lot of them. This is one of the success. It's one of that Lindernia. Then also this is one of the that Rotola. Also I'm growing. Then guppies are there to keep it healthy and to eat the mosquito larvae if they come. So now if I allow this water lily, if I don't weed it out, it will come back again. But I'm tired of them and I know enough about them. So I'm just removing them and allowing all these things to come up. And this growing, right, if you have a terrace garden, you can do this. Paddy likes plenty of sunshine. So you have to select plants and all depending on your requirements and your situation. If you have a small garden space, that doesn't mean you can't do interesting experiments with native plants or innovative things and all. This rice cultivation, one can quite easily do experiments. You can increase or decrease the water, and then you can try out various different rice seeds, that black rice, red rice, basmati, gismati and all. Then you can adjust the feeding also. You can add some manure and all such experiments. You can teach yourself many things. Then this is the third water body. This is also an old pond. I got one of the aquatic cypress here. Then this reeds I am growing. Reeds have done well, I must say. Spread completely around the pot. Then Alternanthera sessile also is there here. And then this is that same rotolite settled nicely and growing now along with the reeds. Then this side some Bacopa moneri is there, Brahmi. Then one more aquarium plant is there. This is an exotic item, so I am trying to get rid of it, but it's very tough and hardy. So this is a very nice thing, low cost also. All you have to do is invest one of these plastic little tub or container, or even smaller ones like this, smaller than that. And you can try out these semi-submerged plants, which exist both in, which can tolerate some extra water and all. So that's one. And this one is a real success story. And zero maintenance also. I don't even do anything. Once in 15 days or something, I add some top of the water as it evaporates.